All right, everybody. So this is the V-Light hair extension tool set, and shout out to you all and your amazing company. Your girl wants to be an ambassador, so holler at your girl Lysandra. So we're gonna be unboxing this. Look up, can you guys hear that? The quality, even in the boxing. V-Light hair extension tool set. So they were so kind in giving me this. Let me back up off of it for a little bit. This is so pretty, you guys. I love this foil, little foil accent right here. They were so kind of giving me 2 carbon anti-static combs by Toni & Guy. What is really significant about these is they not only do not build up static, they're very, very durable. I promise you, you will have these for forever. So thank you for your forever combs, Toni & Guy. Holler at your girl for an ambassador as well. So they gave me 2 of these, super kind. That is so nice. I can't imagine what these retail for. I don't know, but it's very nice for them to include this. And beautiful hair extension tool set. It's nice vellum paper. Oh, look what goodies we have here. Oh, look what happened in shipping. Okay, so we have our dry glue removal solution, different tools, things like that. I'm not going to get into it because this box does have 2 layers. So underneath all this goodness right here, this beautiful high quality foam, there's a whole nother layer that I'm going to unbox as a recorded video. Here's our light. This right here is where all the magic happens along with working with adhesive. So this is what we have for now. Stay tuned to my next video.